Three, two, one.
What is up? Good afternoon, good morning, everybody, wherever you're at. Hope you're feeling a little better today. Wanted to start out with saying I am not a financial advisor, so anything I say, you should definitely do your own research. That goes for anybody, anywhere, anything with this YouTube or anybody you're listening to. You should always do your own research. And yeah, so today is definitely a lot better than yesterday. The total market cap is at 2.111 trillion. I know I said that all types of screwed up. Bitcoin's definitely looking a lot better today. It is at 46,005. Ethereum is at 3,371. Cardano is at 240. We need 240 or Cardano to start stepping it up. Binance Coin jumped to number 4. Come on. I got a guest today, y'all. Come on. Say hello. This is Emmy. This is my crypto goddess. She tells me all I need to know. She has all of the information. So make sure to like and subscribe. It makes Emmy happy. Alright, so I got a couple stories I saw that I thought were pretty interesting. SEC chief may be gunning for crypto exchanges and altcoins. So Gary Gensler, who is Gary Gensler, right? Okay, so following the testimony by an American Securities and Exchange Commission, Chief Gary Gensler, the cryptoverse, is arguing that the regulator could be set out to close the curtain on nearly all crypto exchanges unless they register with them, except possibly those who offer Bitcoin and Ethereum exclusively. Gensler appeared before the U.S. Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs today ahead of his testimony, which has been made available to the public. Frankly, at this time, crypto is more like the Wild West or the old world of buyer beware that existed before the securities laws were enacted, Gensler remarked. This asset class is rife with fraud, scams, and abuse in certain applications. To protect investors in the crypto market, there are a number of projects that the SEC is eyeing, including crypto trading and lending platforms, the offer and sell of crypto, custody, investment vehicles providing exposure to crypto assets, crypto derivatives, and stable value coins. Many platforms have numerous tokens on them, and the probability is quite remote that with 50, 100, or even 1,000 tokens, any given platform has zero securities. In respect to all of this, as well as to the broader set of policy frameworks, said Gensler, the SEC is working with the Commodities Future Trading Commission, the Federal Reserve, Department of Treasury, Office of Comptroller of Currency, and others. And the cryptoverse has so far seen these statements as quite threatening toward the crypto exchanges in the U.S., with the partner at Hogan & Hogan, Jeremy Hogan, opening that what Gensler's words mean is that the exchanges are selling what the SEC finds are securities, and that they are coming after these companies without warning or clarifications first. I don't think the markets have fully understood the implications of Gensler's statement, argued tax and fintech lawyer Arturo Pitorla. A number of other commentators also took Gensler's statement as meaning that the regulator is coming after altcoins and shitcoins, as some stated. Certain commentators are arguing that many altcoins are indeed scams or securities, and SEC would be justified in shutting these down. Counter-arguments offered here are that it should be regulation for all or none. Altcoins can't be regulated while Bitcoin and Ether remain outside of the SEC's reach. Others added that the law itself is the problem, or the lack of clarity to be precise, as registering would be an issue where the clarity of law. Meanwhile, crypto trader and economist Alex Kruger argued that the technology and regulations need to adapt to each other. And while some wondered if the markets would really react to the decision by a U.S. regulator, others argued that the coins would simply be listed from another country. That said, there are those who find that many countries could follow the U.S.'s example. Another thing caught by Cryptoverse's eye is the mentioning of stable value coin. This, too, some say, may be a way towards heavy crypto exchange regulation as well as a way to control the narrative. Whoever came up with the stable value coin needs to get a raise, then quit and come build in crypto, tweeted Crypto Law Review. They're not only talking about fiat-pegged stablecoins, they're also aiming for the grand prize, commodity-backed crypto with full deniability. Talk about narrative control. And while Gensler did invite platforms and projects to come in and talk to us, some commentators are saying that companies have tried and got burned. Specifically, Ripple is mentioned here, as the SEC is still in a long, hard battle with the company having brought charges against Ripple executives, alleging that they had knowingly sold XRP as an unregistered security. Whew, so that was a lot, right? Personally, and I'll probably get some backlash for saying this, but I think some regulation could be a good thing. Because he is right. There is a lot of these coins that are just trash. Shouldn't even be in the field, that are scams and are taking all of that money away from solid projects. So personally, I think just a little bit of regulation could be good. Just my opinion, though. So, can a country actually ban Bitcoin? No, that wasn't it. Here we go. So this is pretty bullish for crypto all around. Dapper Labs taps Google to help scale Flow, which, if you don't know, Flow is also a cryptocurrency. It's in the NFT markets. Google Cloud has partnered with NFT company Dapper Labs. Dapper Labs will use Google's cloud service to help scale its in-house blockchain Flow. Google has increased its involvement in the crypto space this year with several key partnerships. So, here we go. Google has teamed up with Dapper Labs in a multi-year partnership deal. Dapper Labs will utilize Google Cloud to help support and scale the Flow blockchain, which hosts many of the company's leading creations. Dapper Labs, the company behind the hit NFT collectibles, NFT Top Shot, and CryptoKitties, has signed a multi-year partnership with Google Cloud. The deal will focus on supporting and scaling Dapper Labs' in-house Flow blockchain using Google Cloud's network infrastructure. Flow is already home to established NFT projects such as NBA Top Shot, which has recorded over $680 million in trading volume since it launched last October. I have a couple cards over there on NBA Top Shot that I purchased. NFTs. Google will host Flow nodes using its cloud services, making development on a blockchain easier. Additionally, Google appears to be receptive to concerns over the energy usage of cryptocurrencies. Janet Kennedy, Google Cloud North America's vice president, has stated that developers will be able to choose the regions that power their applications based on the energy consumption of that region. Commenting on partnership with Dapper Labs, Kennedy said, "Blockchain technology is becoming more and more mainstream." What have I been saying? So companies like Dapper need scalable, secure infrastructure to grow their business and, even more importantly, support their networks. While Google is now enthusiastic about offering its services to support cryptocurrencies, it is somewhat late to the party. Microsoft was the first big company to start offering its cloud infrastructure to blockchains in 2015, with Amazon also launching a similar service in 2019. However, in February, Google confirmed it was using its cloud service to run a node for the enterprise-grade distributed ledger, Hedera Hashgraph, which is HBAR, along with joining Project's council, marking a big step for the company's involvement in the crypto technology. Despite the late start, Google has not shied away from offering its products in the crypto space. Earlier this year, the company announced its integration of BigQuery data and analytics platform with Polygon, proving useful metrics for analysis such as the most active and popular tokens, contracts, apps on the network. Since then, Google has also integrated Chainlink, also allowing data outside sources to be used in applications built directly on the blockchain. Following the success of NBA Top Shot, Dapper Labs is looking to expand its sport-based NFT collectibles with help of Google's cloud service. The company is currently building a similar NFT platform to NBA Top Shot for the Ultimate Fighting Championship, offering mixed martial art fans limited collectibles through Flow. I mean, this is all pretty interesting, Big companies are getting involved. You're gonna miss the boat if you aren't already in. So let's get in this, man. I'm telling you, I'm just so surprised that all these big companies everywhere is involved, and people are still saying like crypto isn't the future, or blockchain technology isn't the future. Like, these companies would not be involved. Anyways, get a little off track there. Looking pretty decent today on my portfolio. Let's see. I guess not. Guess it's not gonna let me show it. But anyway, so I'm doing my best to drop at least one video a day. As I start picking up subscribers and people start tuning into the live, I would love to do a live every day too, but it's kind of discouraging whenever I go live and I don't have nobody on there. But that's okay. I'm gonna build this up slowly. And again, I just want to build a community for people to come to and have someone to lean on, and have other people to talk to. This is a scary process when you're just getting started. I know this. I was scared to death. I'm still scared every day. And it's a very volatile space. So if you're alone in this and you don't have no one to fall back on whenever it's up, down, whatever, it's just a good idea to have people around you. And so I want to build a community as best as I can. Please like and subscribe. Please, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I really do appreciate all of your support. Do not forget to hit the subscribe and like button. I've got some shameless plugs in the description for links, and if you do not have any of these services, I would really, really appreciate it if you use my link. It helps me out as well as you. So again, thank you, and see you tomorrow.